Hi, good day. It's Jen here from Crystal Clawz. Alright, so today I want to come to you with our new exciting FlexiPro tips. Now, the FlexiPro tip I just want to show you is a very, very flexible tip. That are fabulous for quick and easy nails and also fabulous for the press-ons. Now I'm working with the stiletto. I myself can't really see it, but I actually have the ballerinas on. So I thought I'd go through, won't you pass your hands, Jolie? Alright, so I thought I would go through an application with you guys. Very simple, very easy. Now what I've done with this one, you can see at the back, I have already removed the shine. Now the reason I'm removing the shine on the inside of the tip is I'm going to apply it with rubber base. But if I don't remove that shine, what will happen is the tip will actually come loose. So I have already prepped Jolene's nail plates. I have removed the shine, I've sanitized. And now I'm going to take my clear rubber base and I'm just going to apply a very, very thin coat of the rubber base to her natural nail. I'm not going to cure this. I'm just ensuring that the product is sitting on the nail plate as well without anything being missed. Because obviously if we get bubbles and things, what is going to happen is the tip again is also going to come off. So I'm going to now take my tip, and inside of my tip I'm also going to apply a fairly thin coat. You don't want to, oops, I'm off camera again, you don't want to apply too much, otherwise what will happen when you press your product down onto the nail plate, it's actually going to start to run up at the front. Now I'm going to apply this at a 45-degree angle, going as close to the cuticles as I can, and I'm going to roll the tip down. You can see the product moving forward, and once it gets to my free edge I'm going to stop. Now Jolene is assisting me here. She's just going to flash cure this. This is with one of our little LED torch lights. I just want the product to start to cure so that I can actually let go of this. That should be enough, Jolene. Now at this point, Jolene is going to put her hand in the light and cure it for me for 30 seconds. Alright, so while Jolene is curing, I thought I'd quickly show you the different shapes. This is the almond, our medium length almond. Oops, that one flew away. And our round shape, which is also ideal. They are generally, they're a bit longer than the standard salon length, so you can always cut that one off into a square. Our ballerina and the stiletto are both in long. So I thought I would just show you the shapes that have come in. We have started off with 4 different shapes. Now Jolene has cured and come back. So it's actually that simple. As you can see, I've got absolutely no work in the cuticle area. I've got absolutely no work to do on the side walls at all. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my buffing block and I'm going to remove the shine. The reason I'm removing the shine is obviously I'm going to put gel polish on. And if we do not apply, remove the shine and apply a base coat before we apply our gel polish, the gel polish will lift off of the full tip. So I just want to take that little point away at the end. And with Jolene, we are actually going to leave them this length. So once I've reached, I just want to take some more shine off there. Now, I'm going to bring this in close. There we go. As you can see, I have absolutely no cuticle work. I have no ridge at the back. What I have done when I've taken the shine out the back is I've actually thinned the cuticle area slightly. so that I have no hump, creating no work. So at the end of the day, for those who know me, you know that I will always look for the quickest, easiest way to mold nails. So at this point, so as you can see, our steps have been pretty easy. I've applied a very thin wet coat to the natural nail. I've put a little bit of clear rubber base into the back of the tip, and I have simply cured it into place. I'm now going to apply my base coat. And we're going to cure that. I'm not putting boulders, rubbers, or polygels or acrylics. I'm not putting anything on. I have found, and for those of you who know, I wear extremely long nails, and I'm not a princess with my nails. I work with my nails. And I am finding them to actually sit beautifully without having to put any additional products on. All right, we're going to cure this for 30 seconds, and I'm going to pause. All right, fabulous. That is cured for 30 seconds. I'm going to take the Indulgence, the new Indulgence Gel Polish number 18. It's a beautiful, vibrant orange. And now I'm going to simply apply my gel color. As you can see, the Indulgence only really needs one coat of cover to give you a beautifully solid color. We're going to cure this for 30 seconds, and then I'm obviously going to apply a top coat, and pretty much it's as easy as that, and you're going to save yourself a tremendous amount of time. I think these are a nail technician's dream. As I say, I did my own nails and it was just so quick and easy. So Jolene, if you can cure that, I'm actually just going to take one of my gloves off just to show you guys. There's mine with the ballerinas. You can see they've got a beautiful curve. They're absolutely stunning all around. Now I actually want to remove, I'm going to remove the camera, and I'm actually going to take this onto my desk. And I actually want to show you guys. Now, I also have applied mine with rubber base, and I only have base coat, gel polish, and top coat. I've got nothing on in between other than that. And to give you guys an idea of just how strong these are, I'm actually going to hit my desk for you. So you can hear I'm really knocking them solidly. Not a chip, not a crack, not a tear. I will give you guys feedback on how these hold up. I am now in day 3 with these, and I'm absolutely over the moon. It has never gone that quick for me to mold a set of nails. Once we're finished with Jolene's, as you can see, I'm going to come in close again. We have absolutely a beautiful nail from every angle. It was that quick, it was that easy, and then, as I say, with the Indulgence, we only needed to put on one coat of color. I will photograph the full set once I'm done. All right, we hope you enjoyed that. We hope that you are going to enjoy these new FlexiPro tips, and I shall see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.